at that. Oh!
吉祥云。
哇！哇！我受不了了，这么漂亮。
Oh, hey, 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 ski, 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 ski.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god.
On June 30th, 2024, in Pataniki village of India's Kishtwar district, a rain-soaked hillside suddenly collapsed, triggering a powerful landslide across the mountain road. Hours of overnight rainfall had loosened the earth, turning a quiet slope into a scene of destruction within seconds.
What a property!
Look at this incredible moment, rain sweeping across the road like a moving wall. You can literally see the weather changing right before your eyes. This powerful moment was captured during an earthquake in Myanmar, as strong tremors shook the ground and sent intense waves rippling across the water.
Come on, do it again. Show me again your work. Yes. Oh.
Look at this incredible creature, an almost invisible glass squid that looks like it's made of pure glass. Just look at this. The insect's body is nearly ripped apart, yet it's still moving. This disturbing scene is caused by a parasitic fungus that hijacks its host, turning it into a half-dead puppet under its control. On April 8th, 2024, the skies over North America turned surreal as a total solar eclipse plunged everything into darkness. The moon perfectly aligned with the sun, revealing a glowing corona and creating one of nature's most breathtaking sights. A powerful waterspout hits Aja Napa Beach in Cyprus, spinning violently as panicked tourists scatter across the shore. Watch this shocking moment in Arkansas. Just seconds after this couple gets into their car, a powerful lightning bolt strikes right behind them. A terrifyingly close call.
Look,
This unusual scene from the Amazon rainforest shows a tree silently burning from within. Experts suggest it could be caused by trapped natural gases, internal decay, underground heat, or even fire from nearby land clearing, a rare and mysterious display of nature's power.
Whoa! Whoa! ¡Súbenos!
In Peru, a peaceful climb turns into panic as a massive glacier suddenly collapses right beside the climbers. Wow, this is absolutely mind-blowing. These birds strike a perfect flamingo pose, but they're not flamingos at all. Look at this. What seems like a single creature is actually a sapphinophore, a deep-sea colony made of thousands of tiny organisms moving together as one mesmerizing being. Captured in a remote region of India, this powerful footage shows the devastating force of river erosion. As the relentless current carves away the hillside, an entire house suddenly collapses into the valley.
ईद का पहला रोज खत्म हो रहा है और आज भी इस आग की शिद्दत में
In Karachi, Koranki area, a routine borehole drilling took a terrifying turn as flames suddenly erupted from deep underground. Experts are still investigating, but an underground gas buildup is the suspected cause.
है कि ये पानी जो पानी यहाँ पे इसको बुझाने के लिए डाला गया था, उस पानी को देखे किस प्रेशर के साथ ये उबाल रही है। तो इससे इस बात का अंदाजा होता है कि इस जमीन के अंदर कोई ना कोई
Look at this incredible sight, a volcano releasing perfect smoke rings into the sky. This incredible bubbling mud pool was recorded in Grobogan, a region in central Java, Indonesia. It's a rare geothermal phenomenon where gas or water pressure causes the mud to violently erupt, creating scenes like this one that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Holy guy! He's coming! Hey, sorry!
Watch this intense moment as a powerful earthquake strikes, and the cat's reaction says it all.
Oh, Shama, taka khul gaya, woo!
Watch as a massive wall of snow comes crashing down the mountainside. Nature's raw power unleashed in this incredible avalanche moment.
भाई सुबह सुबह बिलोंग जा रही है
A massive sandstorm sweeps through Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, an unforgettable display of nature's raw power.
It's hitting us.
This may look like hair on a tree, but it's actually thousands of spiders moving in perfect sync, creating a truly surreal sight.
Son nada más y nada menos que arañas patonas. Aquí en mi pueblo los conocemos como sacauchis. Ya nada más. Vaya.
Nature creates magic groundwater, bursts through solid rock, forming a mesmerizing fountain like something out of a dream.
Crazy. So much water is coming out of the rocks.
This incredible eruption took place in Sakhalin, Russia, where the Pogachevsky mud volcano suddenly exploded, blasting mud and gas high into the air.
Gente, eu nunca tinha presenciado isso. A chuva lá e aqui não tá chovendo. Gente! Tá vindo, tá vindo. Gente, aqui não tá chovendo. Gente, olha, não tá chovendo aqui não. Meu Deus, tá vindo. Chegou. Ainda não. Chegou. Sim.
This massive cloud swept over Spring Hill, engulfing the town during an intense weather event.
That's the coolest thing I've seen in a long time.
We get sucked up like the Wizard of Oz.
That is so damn cool. Don't worry, it's coming to you, baby. Oh.
Wow.
Watch this incredible moment as the rare Seven Ghosts tidal wave rolls through the river with unstoppable force. Thanks for for watching. If you enjoyed these unbelievable moments, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Top for more jaw-dropping clips from around the world. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment. Watch this unbelievable moment in Palghar, India. A rescued crow begins speaking like a human after spending 3 years with its caretaker.
Papa! Papa! Papa, ito!
This tree is gushing water like a high-pressure fountain, likely due to underground spring pressure, forcing water through a hollow trunk, a rare and fascinating wonder of nature. This breathtaking scene unfolded in Argentina, where clouds poured over the mountains like a cascading waterfall, creating an unforgettable display of nature's beauty.
Wow, wow, look underneath it.
That's cool, isn't it?
Wait, is that lady still taking pictures?
One. Oh, it's curving into the wall.
A massive tornado tears through Colorado, leaving a trail of chaos as stunned drivers watch from dangerously close.
Right here. Oh. We got lightning, thunder, all the absolute textbook indicators right here. You can see the funnel right above us. She's still moving northwest. Oh my god. Mira eso.
Miren ustedes, ¿qué sale?
¿El piso saliendo?
¡Miren este!
In the town of Topolki, Russia, a burst water system combined with freezing winds created this extraordinary ice formation, towering like a frozen mountain.
Oh, damn! Oh, holy crap! Whoa! Did I get it? Ah, not really. Oh, yeah!
Witness the raw power of nature as massive lava flows pour from a volcano in Iceland, lighting up the sky and captivating everyone with its fiery display.
Wesley, aí tá cobra, Wesley. Não era aquela que dava 20 metros que tu falou? Olha o tamanho dessa aqui, ó. Olha o tamanho dessa criança. Tá aí precisando de...
Straight out of the Predator movie, isn't it?
Yeah, scary, right? A parasite that eats a fish's tongue and then lives inside its mouth, acting as the new tongue. Scary, right? This is the tongue-eating louse, one of the ocean's strangest creatures.
Almost looks as handsome as you, Steve.
Kung hindi kita